Let's create functional requirement document for proposal submission. As probably we are done with the requirement gathering in the JAD session for it. Now it's the time to capture all the requirements in it and create up a document. So FRD, which stands for Functional Requirement Document, is a detailed level document which display what a system must do to meet the business needs. In short, it will contain a very detailed level requirements for a particular feature, and we give this document straight to the developers, and developers from this can um, like start developing up the application. Okay, so let's see what are the main elements that a functional requirement contains. So first is scope, second is system impacted, then assumption dependencies as is business to be business process, and the functional requirements. Whereas in BRD we are capturing up the purpose and other stuff, here we are capturing up the scope for that feature only. So let's go. So in scope, the system will be capturing the customer information, validates inputs, store proposal data, and forward the proposal to the underwriting system. And so this module will have fields for personal information, policy details, nominee information, financial information, health declaration, lifestyle declaration, document upload, and proposal submission, as we have discussed in the requirement gathering session, right? Then system impacted. So firstly, the customer portal would be impacted because earlier we do not have the customer portal. Pricing engine would be impacted. So pricing engine depends on these factors. So that's why the pricing engine might be impacted. Then underwriting system, same as because we are capturing up the health plus lifestyle plus personal information such as age. So underwriting system would be utilizing that. Policy administration system, wherein proposal data is stored. Document management system, wherein uploaded files such as income proof, medical info, and age proof, residential proof are stored. So these system would be impacted because of this requirement. Assumption. Customer will submit proposal digitally. Customer will provide accurate information. Okay, dependencies is with pricing engine, with underwriting system, with document management system, and notification services. Let's see what is the as is process, and after developing it, what would be the to be process. So as this business is, customer is filling up a paper proposal form, agent is collecting it and giving it to the insurance company, proposal is submitted to the insurer, imaging team scanning document, data entry team enters information into system, proposal is sent to underwriting team. This is how the currently the system is being performing. So to be business process, customer visits insurer website or mobile app, customer request insurance quote, system calculates premium using pricing engine, customer proceeds to application, customer fills proposal form online, customer uploads document, system will validate the input, system will generate proposal number, and proposal is sent to the underwriting system. Okay, so as we can see that in the 2B process, all the tasks that are being performed is by the system, is by the application. So I think it is 100% automated. And then comes the functional requirements and detailed requirements. We can capture it or mention it over here by using the requirement gathering session that we have done with the key stakeholders. So system will share the personal details fields such as full name, date of birth, gender, and similarly for policy details we have captured up the fields, nominee details, and we have also mentioned that if nominee age is less than 18, um, guardian details must be provided. As we have asked this question in the requirement gathering session, can a nominee be a minor and what happens if the nominee is under 18? Then probably we have got the reply that if nominee is a minor, we would require guardian name, right? So same we have mentioned that in the functional requirement document as a business rule. Appointee slash guardian details must be provided. Okay. And we have also mentioned the employer name should be optional, financial information. Okay. Then health declaration, lifestyle declaration, documents upload. So we have mentioned identity proof, address proof, income proof, medical illness slash allergies, and the accepted formats are PDF, JPG, PNG. And from this easily the developers could develop up the application or at least this feature. Data validation, so mandatory fields must be completed, email format validation, phone number format validation, requirement documents must be uploaded. And proposal submission, system will generate a unique proposal number. Proposal data is stored in the policy administration system. Proposal is forwarded to the underwriting engine. Okay. And finally, I mentioned the mockup based on the details that we have captured. So section 1, personal information, so same till documents upload. I have mentioned all the fields over here so that the UI team can look up to this and create up a great UI.